Bitcoin is an easy way to get rich quickly. Friends, today I have brought you a nice video on how to earn Bitcoin, which contains 6 ways to earn Bitcoin. Bitcoin, BTC, is a cryptocurrency, a virtual currency, designed to act as money and a method of payment outside the control of any one person, group, or entity. It eliminates the need for a trusted third party, such as a mint or bank, to be involved in financial transactions. Bitcoin was introduced to the public in 2008 by an anonymous developer or group of developers using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. It has since become the best-known and largest cryptocurrency in the world. Its popularity has inspired the development of many other cryptocurrencies. Let's now learn how Bitcoin works. Bitcoin is an invisible currency that cannot be caught or touched. It works through the blockchain system. Before that, let's find out what Bitcoin is. The blockchain system is a computer that is interconnected with another computer, meaning that one is connected to another. Through which connection? Basically, Bitcoin is transferred. Imagine that you have 2 Bitcoins on your computer. Now you will sell 1 Bitcoin to computer B. If any computer wants to hack or reverse it while the Bitcoin is going from computer A to computer B, then all the computers will be in trouble. The one who did this will be caught. This is the blockchain system. That is why Bitcoin is very secure and almost impossible to hack. Since Bitcoin does not have a specific owner, everyone uses it together. And this control is done through the blockchain method. For example, a bogie on a railway line is connected to a bogie. Now through this blockchain method, some computers work to decode the code of Bitcoin. And this decoding is called Bitcoin mining. In a word, Bitcoin production, or making Bitcoin. And to make this Bitcoin, a super fast computer is required, which is quite expensive. But the interesting thing is that it is possible to earn 10 to 70 lakhs per month by mining Bitcoin. But first you have to spend a lot of money to buy a good computer. To mine Bitcoin, you have to buy several good quality graphics cards, which we can do Bitcoin mining by buying and connecting them to the computer. I am not saying much about Bitcoin mining in this video because the video will be very long. In the video where I will discuss what may be needed for Bitcoin mining and how much money you can start working with Bitcoin, you must subscribe to my channel and stay with me, and comment if you want to know all the information about Bitcoin. The second way is to earn video income from websites. There are many websites on the internet that give the smallest Satoshi of Bitcoin in exchange for small tasks. Satoshi is a small form of Bitcoin, as we call 1 as 1 Bitcoin, and as we call 2 as 2 Bitcoins. What is after the 0 decimal is what we call Satoshi. So you can earn Satoshi by working on different types of websites. The third way is Bitcoin trading, the best, and one way to earn Bitcoin is Bitcoin trading. Many people are earning a lot of money through Bitcoin trading. Bitcoin trading is where you buy Bitcoin, and over time, when the price of Bitcoin increases, you will sell it at a profit. However, this requires a lot of experience, and you need to know a lot of details about Bitcoin. The fourth way is to earn Bitcoin through apps. There are many apps in which you can earn Bitcoin by playing games. However, there is one thing here. It takes a lot of time to earn Bitcoin from these apps. The fifth way is to earn Bitcoin by investing. There are 3 ways to earn Bitcoin by investing. 1 is apps, number 2 is websites, and number 3 is stock market investment. Website investment is to invest dollars on websites where Bitcoin can be invested and buy Bitcoin. Then they will work like BitShares, the way the stock market works. And in this way, Bitcoin will gradually grow. The second is investing through apps. There are many apps in the App Store that allow you to invest in Bitcoin. However, the third thing is investing in the stock market is a very good way, and one of the best ways is to earn Bitcoin. Currently, due to the slow increase in the price of Bitcoin, many people are earning Bitcoin by buying Bitcoin shares in the stock market. I think those of you who want to earn Bitcoin can follow these 3 things. The first is that you can mine Bitcoin. The second is that you can trade Bitcoin. And the third is that you can invest Bitcoin in the stock market. Through these 3, you can earn Bitcoin very quickly. You can also earn in the rest, but in this case, it will cost a lot of time. Similarly, another way to earn Bitcoin is Bitcoin Talk. Bitcoin Talk is a forum posting site where various questions about Bitcoin are asked and various problems are asked. If you want to earn Bitcoin from here, then you have to create a profile here and post regularly about Bitcoin. And when your posts are ranked, your posts will be sponsored. through which you can earn a lot of Bitcoin. Today's video so far, if you like the video, then give it a like and comment on how you like the video.